Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to enable Wi-Fi calling on Android. You can use a couple methods to turn on Wi-Fi calling. The first is in your phone screen, your phone settings app. First, make sure you're connected to a Wi-Fi network. Open your phone settings and then tap Connections. Last, tap the switch next to Wi-Fi calling. Another way to activate this feature is in the phone app. But these steps may vary a bit depending on the type of phone you have and what operating system you are running. First, from your phone's home screen, tap Phone. Then, tap the menu or More icon to open the settings. But some phones have their settings available directly on the main app screen. Then, toggle Wi-Fi calling on. So what is Wi-Fi calling? Wi-Fi calling will use your wireless network to make phone calls rather than your phone network. It can be extremely useful if you get spotty phone service in certain areas of or you're visiting somewhere with a strong Wi-Fi connection but not good phone service. In addition, if your wireless connection is weak, you're more likely to drop a call. Wi-Fi calling generally needs a strong signal to be effective. But note, the data use won't be much more than a Skype voice chat. It shouldn't be an issue unless you use it a lot or have a very small data cap. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys for the next video.